Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. I've got in front of you a mistake that I made, and the mistake is that I already have this coin and I was due to order the second coin in the Glacier series, which is Mercury, and I ordered the second Mars one by mistake. This will probably end up as a giveaway at some point in the future, but there you go. However, the other Popjoy one that I did get at the same time is this one. This is an Emperor Penguin. It's from the British Antarctic Territories, and I'll be doing a full understanding and a full reveal on this one in the next couple of weeks or so. I also got some stuff from Change Checker, and let's just come in a little bit on this one. There we go. It is a £5 coin. This one is an extra one that I've ordered. Again, it may go into an end of year sort of giveaway. We'll wait and see on that one. And because of that, and also this one, which I've just received, which is a £5 Merlin, which I've been waiting an absolute age for. So eventually, and I got two cards, one of which was the gold card, which was for, and it was the EEC presidency. I've already sent that one on to Glenn because I know he's missing it. And then we have this one, which is a Victoria Cross Heroic Axe. This one is a blue edge, so I don't know whether the gold series has finished or whether they've run out of those cards. But so the 10th anniversary thing has yet to materialise. There doesn't seem to be any more cards left, or it seems that they're sending the blue ones out again. So that's a Merlin sorted. This one here is an animal coin hunt for future animal coin hunts, and these coins, I think there's about 7 or 8 of them, are from Swaziland, and they each have animals on them. So that's another one. Another one that is going to be another animal coin hunt is Fiji, and there's a set of coins here from Fiji. Some of them, most of them have got animals on. I think there was one that it hasn't, but they'll go into an animal coin hunt video. This is one that you perhaps have not seen yet, and if I just bring it out a little bit, it's the England £5 coin that is available only if you go to the mint shop, or you complete the mint experience and then go to the shop. It's another £5. The Scottish one is due out sometime later on this year. How much further on along, I don't know, but there you go. This is the third of the 4, the England one. I've already got the Wales one. I've already produced a video on. The Northern Ireland one I have already recorded the video, but I just need to edit and upload it. And this is the third one, the England one. I will do you a video on that in the very near future. And finally, my friend Bo and I have got together again, and he gave me, or I purchased from him to cover his costs, a Strike Your Own King Charles coronation coin. This is not the strike on the day. If you have a look at the package, it says it's just I struck this 50p coin. It doesn't give the date of the 6th of May. I'm going to have to get that one through the secondary market. Bo could only get the amount that is allowed for himself on the actual day, and you're only allowed to do one tour in the day, so they're fairly rare. I'll have to get it on the secondary market, probably through eBay. But again, that will be another video. So let's bring them all in. This is the inner post and what we've looked at. If you've enjoyed this, would you please give me the thumbs up? Also, if you are not yet subscribed and you've enjoyed this and you believe I deserve it, could you please go and give me your subscription? I am aiming for a minimum of 200 and I would like 250 by Christmas. I'm currently at around about 172 or 173 subscribers. So I'm well on the way there. I just need your help to get me over the line. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you have a successful one and you find the coins that you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the future, from me, thank you and bye bye now. Ta-da!